What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to broadcast on Steam. So first you need to install the Steam application by going to the official website of Steam. And after installing the application and signing up or logging in on the Steam's application, you will be redirected to this store page of Steam, wherein on the left side you will see the option of Steam at the top. Click on that and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, scroll down a bit until you see this voice section. From here, you need to set your input device voice and all the settings according to your wish and requirement. When you're done setting that, you can click this broadcast tab. And after clicking on broadcast tab, you can manage the broadcast status, the maximum bitrate, video dimensions, settings, record all video from applications on this machine. If you want this, you can just turn this toggle on. But if you want to record audio from all the applications on this machine, you can also turn this toggle on and then set this up according to your wish and requirement. And when you are done, you are ready to broadcast on Steam. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.